All right, so back to what we were saying about frequently asked questions. Click that link. It also has an email that was right under that link if you need to get in touch with someone. So we went through who can apply. We went through the requirements. If you need to apply for the 1500, it's just the address verification. If your child is not of school age, you need something from their healthcare provider. The income qualified grant has additional requirements, and we'll look at that in a second. This is for all students. It is not just public school. Private school and homeschool are also eligible. How can the grant be used? So we don't know how strict they're going to be on this, but allegedly it is only for core subjects. So that's reading, math, social studies, and science. I know OutSchool, from what I understand, has a portal on their website where you can use Class Wallet to use your funds there. Specialized educational therapy. I wanted to add that occupational therapy should be one of the ones covered. I know for a lot of our kids who have neurodivergence, ADHD, autism, and other processing and cognitive differences, occupational therapy can be game changing. So, and then the assistive technology devices and services says the amount of an awarded grant that may be used for qualifying assistive technology is limited to $750. Okay. When can I use the grant? You will get a notice of award. You have to go into your class wallet, accept your parent agreement and acknowledgement, and then you can select and approve services. You have to activate your class wallet within 14 days of the grant award. You have to start spending the money in 30 days, or it will go back to Virginia. If you do not activate it, it will return to the Commonwealth of Virginia. So, again, this is why I was saying you should identify your vendor as soon as possible before you apply. Okay, the funds do expire. You have to spend $750 by August 15th. Our company invoices, and so that makes it easier for our families. Any company, any vendor where you pay in advance, you shouldn't have a problem with that. And then the $3,000 grant has longer award dates. So I don't know if they're going to give out a small amount. Like, I don't know if they're going to do it in amounts of $750. So we'll update as we find out more. You can't pay tuition with it. It is specifically for supplemental services and technology and assistive devices. So use them as soon as possible. Okay, so that's the frequently asked questions. Let's go up to the documentation real quick. The documentation is here. So for the address verification, you just need like a utility bill, government issued mail, what have you. If your child is younger or older than kindergarten, but they need assistance, you need a healthcare provider to confirm that the child has a disability. They cover the following categories. Contact them if you have questions about anything else. It says this gives you the phone number to contact if you need help submitting your documents. Now, if it's income based, you need your 2022 1040 or whatever you file for your taxes, basically your 2022 tax return. If you have any non-taxable income, you need that documentation as well. And they give you a list for that. Now, the income guidelines. When you file your taxes, your household is determined by the number of people on your tax return. So, in our house, we have a family of 4. That means that it needs to be 3 times the amount of $30,000. So that means to qualify, we can make up to $90,000. If we make more than $90,000, then we cannot qualify for the $3,000 grant, and we would have to apply for the $1,500. If you go to apply for the $3,000 and you either don't finish your documentation or you don't qualify for it, they will just kick you down to the $1,500. Okay. And then at the bottom, there's a note about families and households with more than 8 persons. So it says add 5,140 times 3. That would be 15,420 for each additional person. That, I think, covers just about everything. And wherever you see this video, hopefully they will include the links, because when I send it, I will be including the links that are needed. That will include the vendor link. That is ever changing, but it will be there so you can look at it and identify a tutor. Again, the primary cause is summer catch-up learning. That's the main goal. And so if you're looking at summer options, this is a fantastic way to get your child some extra support. All right. Contact whoever you got this video from with any questions. If you have any other questions and you don't know where you got this video, find 360 Citizens online. We'll be happy to assist.